Cold plunge, before or after your workout? Cold plunge, before or after your workout? Cold plunging, the practice of immersing yourself in icy water, has gained massive popularity in recent years, especially among athletes and fitness enthusiasts. Whether it's to speed up recovery or boost energy levels, many swear by its benefits. But when is the best time to cold plunge, before or after your workout? Let's explore the pros and cons of each to help you decide. Cold plunge before a workout. Some athletes choose to plunge into cold water before hitting the gym, aiming to kickstart their workout with heightened energy. The cold water can shock your system, increasing alertness and boosting circulation. It may help reduce muscle stiffness and prepare your body for physical exertion. The idea is that the cold plunge activates your nervous system and gets your body ready to perform at a higher level. However, cold exposure before working out isn't always ideal. Research suggests that it could reduce muscle flexibility and slow down the body's warm-up process. The shock of the cold may also negatively affect your muscles' ability to contract, potentially hindering your strength and endurance during the workout. If you're doing high-intensity training or strength work, the cold plunge might not be the best choice beforehand. Cold plunge after a workout. Most people prefer to take a cold plunge after exercising, primarily for its recovery benefits. The cold water helps constrict blood vessels and reduces inflammation in the muscles, which can aid in muscle recovery. By improving blood circulation once you're out of the cold water, it promotes the removal of metabolic waste products like lactic acid, reducing soreness and speeding up recovery. Taking a cold plunge after a workout can also help you feel refreshed and rejuvenated. It's like hitting a reset button for your body. However, there's some debate on whether plunging immediately after exercise is always beneficial. Some experts warn that it might interfere with muscle growth because it could blunt the natural inflammatory response needed for muscle repair. So, if your goal is to maximize muscle gains, you might want to wait a little while after your workout before jumping in. Conclusion. Whether you cold plunge before or after your workout depends on your goals. If you're seeking a burst of energy and alertness, try it before. But if you're focused on muscle recovery and reducing soreness, a post-workout cold plunge may be more beneficial. Listen to your body and experiment with both approaches to see what works best for you.